Well, ladies and gentlemen, here I am. I find myself in Missoula, Montana, staying at the DoubleTree. And behind here is the M4, I don't know what, Montana State University? I don't know. I was told there was a nice hike to go up there and beyond. I don't know if I have enough energy for that today, but let me see what I can find. See if I can find anything interesting. Here's a little stream that goes through the middle of town. On one of the main drags here through town. All right. L up on the hill there, probably some high school, maybe a college, I don't know. That's what we do out west, put letters on mountains. Here we are at the corner of Van Buren and Broadway. Here's the entrance to Interstate 90. It goes all across the country from East Coast to West Coast. At least I think it goes to the East Coast. I know it goes past Michigan. And down there, that's where I came from. Got a loud train going through town. Man, what happened to the concept of a quiet old small town in the West? It's been so loud that been walking the last few minutes. I guess these trains going by. There's the AM. I'm half tempted to make my way to the... There's these people waiting for the bus there with inner tubes. It looks like the bus would take them up here in the mountains. I might just see if there's anything I can go up and see.
Too narrow for both of us.
What's this state park in Milltown? What's that?
Colorful indigenous. I mean that to a general term, not a specific.
On my way off the main road to the state park. I hope it's not right next to the freeway, but that's got to be I-90. So here we have one of the rivers. I don't know if it's the Blackfoot or the other river, or maybe this is after they have already flown into one. And a lot of people come inner tubing up here. That must be I-94 above me. It says we are 5 miles outside of Missoula. The sign said 5 miles from Missoula. So I guess I took that bus about 5 miles. Well, the guy, the bus driver, he left me off at a place that doesn't seem very close to any state park, but I mean, the sign said this way, but maybe you gotta have a car. It may be too far to walk. And here I am right along no, maybe it's Montana East. It's Route 200, that is, okay. So Bonner is the town that we turned around at, and that's the direction where I'm walking, but not the way I necessarily want to go. But the state park is supposed to be down here, but maybe it's too far. Well, it is I-90 and also Montana Route 200 at the same time. So, okay, I thought so. Yeah, I turned around. I couldn't see anything resembling the state park entrance. It looked like it was going to be too much walking for me. So down the road here, there's an entrance to a little mountainous area that used to be a ski resort where the bus driver said he learned to ski when he was a kid, or I don't know, learned to ski. And he remembered it being beautiful. I might go up there a little ways. Well, I finally got away from the sound of the freeway. Got this highway noise a little bit here. The scenery's improved a little bit. But I think I'm going to catch the bus no matter which direction it's rolling and just head back to town. I'd hate to miss the last bus, which is like 7 p.m. Although that little canyon that was suggested to me is up here on the right a little ways. I don't know how far. Is it walkable? And he said, yeah, I guess. So I don't know. But, little farmhouse over there, or a barn or whatever. And we'll see how far I make it. There's a golf course across the highway over there. I don't know if you can see. What a nice looking golf course. But because of the forest fires, it's so smoky, it's really hard to, yeah, it's not nearly as beautiful as this would be. It wasn't so smoky. Yeah, a nice review of the golf course. Down here. My bussy bus. I like exploring. Wish I had a safer place to walk. Down there you can see the bus. I flagged him down and he ignored me. Kind of waved. Maybe he said he'll catch me on the flip-flop. There's not really a good place to stop here for the bus, so maybe that's why. But he ignored me. Of course, he's going away from town, and maybe he meant to say, okay, I'll get you on the way back. There's another view of the river that's kind of nice. Golf course. I've almost completely passed. Okay, this is the road I was recommended to go up by the bus driver, but at this point I don't want to chance missing the bus, so the state park thing ended up being too much of a walk, so I'll wait for the bus here, I guess, rather than take a chance on missing it. Right now my bus driver is late. He doesn't have a very big route, so I don't know how he could get this far off his time schedule with such a little route, but wow. Here he comes. Here he comes. Hopefully he'll stop. Please stop. Thank you. He's stopping. Here's my bus ride. Thank you.
to be outbound to
And there he goes. My bus driver. He's a nice guy. Nice guy. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go back to my hotel room, get something to eat. If it's still light, maybe go out, explore a little bit more. Bye.